everyone, my name is Keith MacDonald, and today's tune that I chose is called The Battle of the Somme. It was written by William Lawrie. So this is a 9/8 retreat march. In basically Scottish regiments in World War I, William Lawrie was a piper, and he did everything from living with the soldiers and in the trenches to piping for calls and different things like that in regimental duty. So he wrote this tune, and as it is a 9/8 march, it wouldn't be used to direct soldiers on a battlefield. It isn't in march time, so I've learned, but it would be something played in the evening as the soldiers are kind of transitioning from their daily duties to nighttime duties. And it was kind of a tune for entertainment or for a symbol of safety and the retreating to the warmth of their beds. So this tune became really popular among Cape Breton fiddlers and pipers for dances and playing for dancers in the jig time. So what I'll do is I'll play the 9/8 to the kind of regimental expression, and then I'll play it as a jig.